One more. Now let's sing those notes that you're actually sliding. They're the notes. That's when we separate them, which is actually I'm playing E and D. But we're sliding through this G sharp like this. Actually, you can come slide above the note and then down to it. Or you can start below this E and slide. That's sliding between these two. Now, the slower you slide, the longer it takes to get just from these two little things. So again. And again. Which is this B down here. Let's slide up to this C here. I'm going to slide down two notes to an A that's somewhere over there.